All right, now let's turn to weather. Forecaster Hannah Skye is in the Storm Alert Weather Center. Hannah, a lot of eyes are kind of happening in the Gulf as that possible hurricane takes place or takes form.
Yep, there's a lot happening right now up here in the tropics. We are watching that system, which is currently potential tropical cyclone 9. In addition to that, we have a couple of storms that we could be seeing today and tomorrow. So we're getting some rain ahead of that. We've got some of these scattered pop-up showers, which are possible through this afternoon into our early evening. Some areas might see some isolated heavier rain, but then we clear out as we hit our Monday night. On Tuesday, we start getting another round of that pop-up showers and possible heavier rain come into our area. And you'll notice by about Tuesday at 3 o'clock, we have this cold front, and along that line, we get a line of showers and storms. So heading into Tuesday evening into Wednesday, we start to see some more of those showers work their way through, some of them possibly severe. We'll talk more about that in just a second. And Wednesday, those rain chances from that cold front start to increase. So really over the next couple of days, before even the tropical system works its way through, we start to see some more rain chances. And then, so here's kind of a look at your hour by hour for today. So, you know, we start kind of peaking between 3 and 5 p.m. for those scattered rain showers across our area, and then we quiet down as we get into our evening hours. Now this is a look at tomorrow for our severe weather outlook. The dark green, that's a marginal risk, 1 out of 5, and really the risks we're looking for is heavy rain, some gusty winds, and there's the possibility of even some hail for some of our counties. Now let's talk tropics. So this system now has this is shifting between an 80 and a 90% chance of tropical formation over the next couple of days. So here's a look at the spaghetti models showing the possible track, which they are starting to condense. So really we're starting to get a good idea of where this storm is going to go. And then here's kind of a look. We were finally able to update and start looking at storm intensity. So it looks like this storm is going to grow to a Category 2, possibly even a Category 3 as it makes landfall somewhere near Florida. And then it's going to continue, and then we over here might start to see the remnants of that. And it's looking like we might start to see some heavier rain. So again, that tropical development is becoming more likely. The highest impacts are going to be Thursday through Friday, with that potential landfall in Florida, especially, of course, on that western side. And we really could see some heavy rain for a couple of days due to that system. But for us right now, high temperatures are expected to reach 94 degrees here in Chattanooga. It is already very steamy. 91 in Lafayette, a little cooler in Fort Payne, 88 degrees, 92 in Dayton, then of course a little bit cooler as we go farther east, 87 degrees in the Blue Ridge Mountains. And then the next 7 days, for those of you who are so ready for cooler weather, well, I have great news for you. After Tuesday, Wednesday, we start to get to the closer to the average in regards to the temperatures, staying in the 70s for our highs for the next several days, Thursday and into Friday. Now, it's still going to be pretty muggy with all the rain that we've got and the heat, but at least it's going to be feeling a lot cooler, which would be great if we get some rain because we are still under that extreme drought conditions. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast, just to recap again, we're going to stay mostly dry today, could see some pop-up storms today and tomorrow, the chance for possibly a severe storm on Tuesday, and then the remnants of what will most likely be tropical storm Francine will work their way in the middle of this week.